Hello friends, it is Denise from Loving Life at 60ish and my Etsy shop is fairyroseCottage.etsy.com and this is June 30th. Oh, where is the summer going to, you guys? Honestly, I just want to pull my hair out because it's already the end of June, and if you've ever lived in a cold state, you know what I mean, like a state that winter comes early and leaves late, then you know what I mean. You are panicking already because it's the end of June. But anyway, I'm doing the Fun Foody Box challenge collaboration. Everyone who is collaborating with this is in a list in the description. Did you see the Etsy shop drop? These sticker sheets are from the Beach Bestie June monthly kit. This is add-on number 4 in the Etsy listing, and the kit is up in the shop. I would love to show it to you, but I'm having some technical difficulties right now. But the whole entire kit, the main kit and all 4 add-ons and the freebies all show up on the Etsy listing so you can see them. It is a beach themed kit. If you have a question about which you choose from the drop down menu to get what you usually order, please just go ahead and message me on Etsy and I can walk you through that, because I felt like adding a 4th one made it a little more confusing. These sticker sheets are not, you cannot peel them up and just stick them on. You have to cut them out yourself with scissors or a trimmer. A trimmer for this would work great. These are washi tapes. There are 13 of them. There is the Beach Bestie Girls icons. You have to cut out around them. And then there's some beach icons that come with it also. And these are all ones that are in the savings challenges in the kit. I am going to be using these in my planner and in my journal for the month of July. So there they are. And then we had these two that was in the Etsy shop drop. My happy birthday, happy 250th birthday, the Americana tour and the Courage tour. I just had a little fun with these, and I talked about where I got this idea on the Etsy shop drop video. Okay, so I have $30 today, which is $5 more than I normally have, and that feels really good. It's not a lot more, right? But hey, I feel like I'm building. So I'm going to get through this. I do have my grandson coming, in a while. So I want to make sure I get this because I missed yesterday. This should have come out yesterday and it did not. This is hosted by Aussie Bee Budgets, The Bubbly Stuffer, Mumwife_Budget Life, Becca Budget 777, and Pink Plum Budgeting. Also, if you want to know about my CPAP journey, I did talk about that in the Etsy shop drop too. I'm not going to talk about it in this one also because I don't want to be redundant, but I'm sure you'll hear more about it as time goes on. 23 of us are taking part in this. I don't know if anyone's finished it yet. I did go to a couple of the channels and discovered that maybe they hadn't started it yet, but just introduced it. But I'm not sure that anyone has finished it yet. So I'll continue to watch. I have subscribed to almost everyone. I've got a couple more left to go and subscribe to. I thought I'd watched their initial video and thought I had subscribed, and I had subscribed from my old YouTube channel instead of my Loving Life at 60ish one. We have directions. All of this is free on our Ko-Fi shops, or Ko-Fi, whatever they are. And so you can get them and download them and print them off. And I'm having a ball with it. I am saving the money right now. My current goal is to use it for eating out in, I'm gonna guess, the month of August by how I'm going and getting things done. But we'll see. I mean, maybe as I finish some, I'll remove some of the money and start using it right away. But I do have company coming, and so I anticipate we'll be eating out quite often, more than I already do, which is a lot. So that's what I'm saving for. It seemed to make sense. But we'll see. Sometimes that has to change when other things get in the way. Life, so to speak. Ranch dressing, and that's a dice. So basically, with the dice, I'm going to find the ranch dressing and decide if I want to roll a dice to add to it. I did have to go to Bangor this morning and pick up a face mask for my CPAP machine because I was trying the just the nose one. Well, where is it? That one's mine. These front ones are desserts because eat dessert first, in my opinion. Burger. Pico de Gala. Loaded nachos. Nope. Ranch dressing. I do like ranch dressing. I mean, I'm not a fan of it for salads, but I like it with vegetables, you know, raw vegetables and stuff. Oh, here we go. Ranch dressing, $3. I hate to add anything to it, but I guess I will. Ah, $8 already. Let's see. We're going to move this here. So 5, 6, 7, $8. And we haven't done any on this one yet. Sometimes I pick and choose. I pull a card and I know I don't have enough money to play with it. Eggs or egg wash. Let's see if there's any desserts with eggs. I know mine doesn't have it. Nope. Eggs, $2. So, let's see. Waffles with Lotus Biscoff spread. I don't know what Lotus Biscoff is. I keep meaning to look it up. And then I forget to. We're going to cross off one of the eggs. I did not laminate these cards, and I sort of wish I did because they stick together. Under budgeted, spent too much, save $3 into your catch-all. I am using the cupcake savings as my catch-all, I believe. Let me just double check. Yes. So I need to cross out 3 of them. When I was in Bangor, I stopped at, there's a bakery up there. So this morning I stopped at the bakery and I got 2 sugar cookies this big with frosting, and then they had made little red octopuses, an octopus on each one, or starfishes, or a starfish. So I picked one up for me and for Eli for later tonight. because I do love a good cookie and or cupcake, and so does he. I like a cookie with frosting is what I mean by a good cookie. There's salt, and it's $1. And we will cross out 1 salt. Sprinkles. Well, we know that that is... I did not use sprinkles. Sprinkles, $3. I went out to supper with my bestie last night, and we had ice cream sundaes. Now, the ones that I'm not using, I mean, that I've already used, I'm putting in this little container there. But the ones I have to go back in, I'm putting in there. Cupcake savings, which is $1. I'm going to keep that one in there because I don't know how many of these there are. And there's a lot of cupcakes. I could roll the dice and decide... Oh, wait. Oh, shoot. That was for this, wasn't it? Oh, no. This is just roll and save dessert. Okay. I did it right. I'm good. I'm good. This or that dessert. Or it's not desserts. It's just this or that. Burger or hot dog? Well, if it's a red hot dog, I'm going to say hot dog. But if it's not, then it would have to be a burger. All right. I'm going to say burger. And I don't mean a red hot dog. I mean just a red hot dog. If you know, you know what I mean. Yorkshire pudding. I don't know. Right there. $4. Well, I mean, you got to do it sometime, right? This is for roast beef. I'm not a big meat eater. I mean, I do like hamburger and hot dogs. I like bacon. I love chicken. But beyond that, like, I'm not a roast beef person. Although I do like a good roast beef sandwich, but the roast beef has got to be brown, like no red in it. So that's a tough one to find. Pizza dough. I feel like that was with the stromboli. Sushi. Chicken carbonara. Every time I play this, I get hungry, and I've already had lunch. Pastry dough? No, pizza dough. Cheeseburger and fries, stromboli. Pizza dough, $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want to do it today. Well, I should, though, because I haven't done any of Nat's yet. Natalie's. So, we'll do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's $1 left. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go through looking for $1. Well, first I want to see, am I finishing any that have any dollar ones left? $2 and $3. Marshmallow salad. I'm not finishing that. You know, like, am I really close to finishing something? Maybe not. That one's really close to finishing, but no, I guess I can't really play that game. I'll just have to find one for $1. Let's see. Let's go to the back and find the first one with $1. I could also put it in the cupcake savings or this and that. Garlic. Garlic bread. Garlic. Spoiled food. Tomatoes. Cupcake savings. This or that. Search and save. I mean, should I really be looking for garlic? Sugar, beef, mince, scoop of ice cream, mozzarella, ginger, scoop of ice cream, chocolate bars. I know my chocolate bars are more than $1. I should just go ahead and do a cupcake. Graham crackers, olive oil, that's $5. Cheese, potatoes, French fries, shrimp, butter, cupcakes, Parmesan. Come on, garlic. Strawberries, soy sauce. Wow, crab salad, broccoli. This is a bad way to do this, but I want to be able to use, there we go. I want to be able to use all of the money. So I want to use that $1. We'll put these cards back in. That's Claudie's Creations. There's 4 garlics, so. But Katie's wins because hers is $1, and I don't know how much the other ones are. Garlic. We'll cross one out, and we'll add it here for $1. So that means we're putting $30 in. I'm going to wrap these 25. I've got a bowl full of these wrappers again, which is a good thing. Let's see where we're at. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3 is 75, and 5, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $157, guys. As I like to say, nothing to sneeze at. I don't know why I say that. I have no idea where that phrase came from. It does not sound like anything I learned in childhood, so I have no idea. None whatsoever. All right, folks, I will see you real soon. Tomorrow is another busy day, so not sure what I will be doing or where I will be, but I will be back. I will be back. Have a great rest of your Tuesday, and I will see you real soon. Happy savings.